absolutely amazing.
Itai has this way about him when he's instructing that he, you could feel that he believes in this material and he lives it. And just when he's presenting, you can tell that there is just this whole body of experience coming through.
And his energy is very caring and safe. So he has created an extremely safe space and container to do this work.
He is the best teacher I have ever experienced. He is an amazing person, but a better teacher.
Not only the wisdom and the understanding that he brings to the circles, but also just getting to know his warmth as a human being and his true compassion for each person at the retreat.
He's such an approachable and available teacher without being imposing, and he also comes into the class with his whole self, and that can be felt.
You can't help but engage. You can't help it. Itai offers you the invitation, and before you know it, you are accepting full-heartedly.
He allows us, through his example, to just be free, to be able to play with our emotions and our feelings and our meditation styles.
Like someone took a magnifying glass onto my life and onto the shadow parts of myself, the shadow parts of my ego, the parts of myself that still needed so much love and forgiveness and healing.
Itai's got a way of teaching that he's very receptive to what's going on. He understands questions that people ask. He knows how to clarify points and get to the point.
It's as though no question you could ever ask he hasn't experienced in some way and can give you a really insightful answer.
I felt so cared for, and he listens beyond the words. I mean, he really listens and really understands what's going on.
It's fascinating to be around someone who has kind of a beautiful, compassionate abrasiveness to them.
He's just very heart-centered, and it's just so genuine and authentic, and you instantly feel loved by him. So,
and working with Itai is simply fantastic. I really love this dude. I feel really good. I feel safe. I feel trusted.
He's welcoming, he's warm, he is handling 14 different types of people and their energies, and he's able to do that with a lot of ease.
Yeah, I'm a skeptic, really. And so just like, I just believed everything he had to say because it came from that place, that heart space.
It's just that way about him that this is who he is, and he just is able to express that, and you feel this just exude from him.
He's personable. He's funny. He's so funny.
Itai is like a cup of coffee and 10 billion rays of sunshine all at once.
He was good in the videos, but he's phenomenal in person.
His energy comes to you before he does, and his open heart and his support, and several times for me during exercises, has been the kindest, gentlest thing I think I've ever experienced.
I feel extremely honored to have been in the same room as Itai for 5 days, and I'm really grateful that he decided to conduct this retreat.
And you should definitely 100% join his retreat. If you don't, you're missing out.